Once priorities of four groups are assigned, we have to arrange a molecule such that the least priority group is away from observer. Now, how to do this? I will show you one simple trick. Write Fisher projection of compound to which you have to assign RS nomenclature and see that lowest priority group is on vertical line. If it is on horizontal line, the structure should be rotated so that lowest priority group will be on vertical line. How to rotate structure, I will show you afterwards. Once we arrange molecule that is least priority group on vertical line, we write the priority of remaining groups. Let us take one example. Consider 2-butanol. Carbon number 2 is chiral carbon, and we have to assign RS nomenclature to this center, stereogenic center. Now you can easily assign priorities to four groups attached like this. Hydroxyl group with first priority followed by ethyl group followed by methyl group, and least priority is to hydrogen. For now, I have given you Fisher projection of 2-butanol, and I have arranged it such that lowest priority group, that is hydrogen, is on vertical line. So what you have to do is write priorities of remaining three groups, which you have already marked in tabular form. Okay. So now join numbers 1, 2, 2 to 3 with arrow. If this arrow runs in clockwise direction, you will call stereoisomer as R. And if this arrow runs in anti-clockwise direction, you will call stereoisomer as S. In this case, arrow runs in clockwise direction, so this is R configuration. Now I am taking mirror image of first molecule. Again, hydrogen is on vertical line, so I will write priorities of remaining groups. We'll join 1, 2, 2, 2, 3. The arrow is anti-clockwise, so this is S configuration. We'll now solve few examples of assigning RS nomenclature. You will be given Fisher projection of compound to assign RS nomenclature. First, assign priorities of four groups attached to chiral carbon using CIP rules. The tabular form shows priorities of four groups. Least priority group is hydrogen. Check its position. It is on vertical line, means it is away from observer. So you can proceed to next step. Now write priorities of remaining groups. Join numbers by arrow. Arrow is clockwise, so it is R configuration. Next example. This is glyceraldehyde. You can assign priorities of four groups. The least priority group is hydrogen, and it is on horizontal line. That means this group is towards observer. You want hydrogen at this position, means on vertical line. So how to rearrange molecule? Look carefully. Keep this group fixed. Shift hydrogen to position of CH2OH, CH2OH to position of OH, and OH to position of H as shown by arrows. So the rearranged structure will be like this. Now least priority group is on vertical line, so write priorities of remaining groups. Join 1, 2, 2 to 3. The arrow is anti-clockwise, so this is S configuration. Let us check another example. example 3 in fact. Now you just go through the PowerPoint. I have shown here if least priority group is on left hand side on horizontal line, how to rearrange a molecule. Now I will show you one alternative method. If you are not comfortable with changing the position of groups, you can try this. Look at molecule. Priorities are assigned as per CIP rule. Least priority group is on horizontal line. If you don't want to change position, just write priorities of remaining groups. Join with arrow. Arrow is anti-clockwise. So your answer should be S. But you are observing molecule from least priority group. But you are supposed to observe molecule keeping least priority group away. So in such case, you have to report opposite configuration. Means if you are getting R, you have to report S and vice versa. In this case, you are getting arrow anti-clockwise. So you will report opposite configuration means R. Now we'll take next situation. How to assign RS nomenclature if molecule contains 2 chiral centers. This is tartaric acid. Carbon number 2 and 3 are chiral carbon. For RS nomenclature, each chiral center should be considered separately. Let us first concentrate on carbon number 2. Consider all the highlighted part as group Y. So you may write molecule as. Similarly, look at carbon number 3. Consider shaded part as group X. So you may write molecule like this. Now these are 2 separate problems which you may work upon easily. Assign priorities to 4 groups. Least priority group hydrogen is on horizontal line, so rearrange structure. So you will get rearranged structure for first half like this. Follow same procedure for second half of molecule. And you will get a rearranged structure like this. Now consider these rearranged structures. Write priorities of group at carbon number 2. Join them by arrow. Arrow is clockwise, so you will assign R configuration. Similarly, look at other half. Write priorities. Join them by an arrow. Arrow is clockwise, so you will assign R configuration. Next, we will write molecule of tartaric acid. Just now we have assigned configuration at position 2 and position 3. So now we will call this molecule as 2R, 3R tartaric acid.